Yes. So, hello everyone. Today is July 19, and I am Syed Wasim. Today I got on a short seminar on string buffer and string builder. So, let's start. Before I going to string buffer and string builder, let's look at the content. What we see. Firstly we see the what is the string. Yes, and then we see what is the difference between the string buffer and string builder. Yes, and the last one we see what is the different method. What is the different method? It is the available only in the string buffer and string builder. It's not available on the in the string. So let's start. We know the string is a sequence of a character. Yes, and the string it is the most commonly object. It is used in inside of a Java. When we writing the any Java project or the any Java code, the 90% of a code it is nothing but the string. In the real world or in the real program is also out. Yes, and the string in this string the JVM it is the allotted the special kind of a memory in the inside of the heap memory. Yes, and this memory inside of this memory and this memory is called as the SCP. Is nothing but the string constant pool. The string constant pool it is when we create the object in the inside of the string constant pool, the object it is unmutable. So let's see what is the unmutable. Unmutable means unmodified. When we create the one object, then we cannot modify in the string. Yes, so this is the basic about the string. Before to going to string string buffer and string builder. Yes, so let's see what is the main difference between the string buffer and string builder. The main difference is nothing but the immutability. Yes, we know the string it is immutable. Yes, but the string and the string buffer it is the mutable. So why this concept? What is meant by immutable or the mutable in the inside of the string? Basically the string buffer and string builder it is nothing but the child of the objects. Yes, when we create the any objects in the inside of the string buffer and string builder, that time we using the some ready-made method. It is the predefined for the string buffer and string builder, and the some extend by the parents objects. Yes, in the difference, the major difference in between the string buffer and string builder it is the synchronization. So let's see what is meant by a synchronization. Synchronization it is nothing but the releasing of the threads. Yes, with the sequential. Is the name is a suggest sequential synchronization. It means the sequence of the threads. In the string buffer we see is a synchronized. It means is a releasing a threads by sequentially. Yes, and the inside of the string builder it is the does not synchronize. It means the thread it is does not arrange by sequentially. When we want to be the object, the number of the threads is execute and the doing the work. Yes, and the safety point of view, the string buffer it is the more secure as compared to the string builder. So what is the safety? Safety is totally depending upon the threads, and the threads is nothing but the person. We say the person who is doing the work. Yes, when we creating the objects. Yes, when we doing a certain of a task, that time the number of the threads are the released. Yes, number of the threads are the release and the doing the task, and finally the threads is the terminate and is the destroyed by the JVM. Yes, is nothing but the is nothing. All thread execution it is handled by the JVM. Yes, And the main, if you want to be the any change in the inside of the string, if you want to be the any change of the string inside of the string, it does not possible, because string is unmutable. Yes, and the string buffer and string builder, it is mutable. So if you want to be the change the any things in the inside of the string, that time we're going to be the string buffer and string builder. String buffer, it is introduced in the Java 1.5 version, and the string buffer string builder, it is introduced in the Java 1.8 version. Yes, so basically string buffer is the old and string builder is a new. Yes, when we want to be the any change of the inside of the string, any string, we go to be the string buffer. In the inside of the string buffer, we have a certain kind of the options. Yes, and the main options is the threads. It's the methods. Certain kind of a method. It is the generally available. Generally, it does not available in the inside of the string. The method is the append method, like append method, delete method, insert method, and the equals method as well. These are the very unique method in the inside of the string buffer. It is the generally it does not present in the inside of the string. Yes, we know string is immutable. When we create the one object, we can't change, because the object it is the create in the inside of the SCP. But the string buffer, it is the totally opposite to the string. When we create any objects with the help of the new keyword or the anything, that time the object it is the create in the inside of the heap memory. Yes, when we create the any object in the inside of the heap memory, it means it is we can't. It means when we create a same object with the name of the same. When we create the same object with the same properties, it does not reflect reference that variable. They create a separately. Yes, but in the SAP it does not doing that. When we create the any object with the same name with the same properties, that time the SAP it is the simply give the reference variable. Then we can be the access the string. Yes, but when we using the string, that time we don't have the any insert method and delete method and the append method. But in the inside of the string buffer, it is possible. Equals method, it is the difference for the string for the string and the string buffer. Equals method, it is a come to the object from the objects inside of the object. The equal method, it is used to the compare two object with the basis of the reference. Yes, but in the inside of the string, it is it's compare with the basis of the content. But in the inside of the string buffer, it is also checked by with their references. Basically, the string buffer, it is the child of the objects. When child, it is the extended properties of the when the child, it is the extended property of the its parent class. At that time, we got the everything about the parent class. Yes, but in the inside of the string, that time they override the equals method. Yes, so this is the all of the things to the regardings of the string buffer and string builder. Basically, the string buffer and string builder, it is the implementation of the string. Yes, and when we working on the string, in the JDK or the internally in the Java, it is string. It is used the string buffer and string builder. Thread safe, the last one, that is the thread safe or not safe. Yes, thread safe and not safe. In the string buffer, the thread is safe. It means the only one thread is doing the work, then the second thread is execute. but the inside of the string builder, that time the multiple threads are the coming and the doing the certain of a type. That's why string builder does not thread safe, and the string buffer is the thread safe. We have a last question, that is, the string is also thread safe or the synchronized? So answer is a yes. String is also followed the synchronization and the thread safe, because the string, it is the most commonly used object in the inside of the Java. That's why the Java, it is provide a certain kind of the property to the string. Yes, so that's why the string, it is also thread safe and as well as the synchronized. So thank you so much. I give my best. Thank you so much.